Hi, my name is Josh Westerhouse, and I am your WileyPlus representative here at Coastal Carolina University. And keep in mind, this is your first day of class. I know it seems overwhelming, but we'll get through this. First thing to do is WileyPlus is an online learning platform that helps students do better in the course. Students who consistently use WileyPlus throughout the semester earn higher grades in the course, and then you can learn by doing practice questions, homework, and assessments. You saved a lot of money with the online interactive e-textbook, and you can personalize your learning experience with Orion Adaptive Practice. You know what you don't know before it's too late, which is a good thing. Okay, getting started with WileyPlus. It's easy. You register in minutes, you buy direct, you save money. You can get help when you need it. How do I register? First thing you do is go to WileyPlus.com. As soon as you go there, this is the basic screen. You can register via mobile. They do have an app, or there you go. Once you get there, click on it and do a course ID. The course ID will be written on the board for you, provided by the instructor. If you cannot find it or for some reason it's not there, just enter the school name and the search box, and you can go from there. As soon as you do that, it'll give you a list of classes you can do, find the classes, and go from there. Go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account already, which the majority of you won't, go ahead and on the right side there, it says don't have a WileyPlus account. Get started here, create the account, and it'll go through these steps and on how to do that. How can you buy it? It's available at your bookstore, which I know we do have here at Coastal Carolina University, and online I think is a better option because it's quicker and you get the results right away. So if you have a registration code, you can enter it right there in the bottom where it says I have a registration code. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is the option I personally did, is I buy direct and then saved on the E and the loose leaf textbook. The best deal is when you do the WileyPlus Instant Access and the ebook. I know it's a little expensive at $165.95, but it's the best deal. The main thing is the Instant Access is what it does. So the Instant Access does include the e-text, the tutorial videos, assignments, all the other stuff that comes with it. And again, the Instant Access plus ebooks is the most popular option because you save the most money and you get the most stuff. So there's a lot of good things. The WileyPlus Instant Access and the loose leaf, it's flexible, but it's an actual paper copy. With this being a digital world, it helps to go away from that. Remember, keep in mind, you can sign up for it. Don't feel pressured to do it right away. You do have a 14-day grace period that you will be able to sign up for it, begin all your assignments so you don't fall behind. And then when you can, go ahead and get the access code and all that stuff you need for the program. Once you complete your account creation, your class and section are automatically added to your cart. So you create your student account and click continue. Then this is your regular WileyPlus homepage. Read, study, practice is the e-textbook itself. The assignments or any assignments your teacher can give you. The gradebook is where you know where everything's at. If you need any help, who do you come talk to? They have a live chat. They can help you do all that sort of stuff. That's more technical stuff about the course, if anything's wrong. But first things first, or technical support's right here. First things first, you can contact me. Again, my name is Josh Westerhouse. My email is right there. I'm also a TA, a grader, and tutor. If you have any WileyPlus questions, having trouble registering, all that sort of stuff. My office hours are Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 3 to 6 p.m. in the lounge. It's tutoring.ch, look correction, AOC 215, not 214. But I'm also a tutor there, so I will be there the entire semester, those hours. Again, here's your student homepage. Kind of have your assignments, have everything on there you need. You can also set your notifications. It's very customizable. Allows you to do all your sort of stuff like that. Read, study, practice. That's the meat of the book right there. For us, we're doing the Horseman's Pick for 140 is the grade book that we're doing, and I have a lot of stuff in there for you to use. Again, same thing with the assignments, same thing with the grade book. Everything's in there for you to do. Just go through them, and you'll be all set. Then there's your grade book. It tells you your grade, all that sort of stuff. Stay on it. And again, this is your first day of class, so thank you. And welcome to Coastal Carolina Computer Science.